Here are the simple steps of closing a work order in Locate Inventory. I'm Lance, Inventory Software Expert since 2006. And let's follow along here. So, logged into Locate Inventory, we're on the work order screen, and we see a list of work orders here. And underneath the status column, we see Ready to Yield, Issued, and Unissued. Ready to Yield means it's been picked. Issued means it's waiting to be picked. We've planned it, we've scheduled it. Unissued means it's currently just an idea, we haven't decided to do it yet. So we'll come back here and we can close out a work order that is ready to yield. So we'll select the work order that is ready to yield by clicking right here on the work order number. Not on the work order BOM, that'll take us to the BOM screen. So we'll click on the work order number. Now we have a work order up on the screen, and when I close this work order, it will consume this quantity of the raw material and it will create this quantity of the finished good material. We see output and input. So this quantity right here is in time. This is a labor type part, and this is an inventory type part. Its quantity is yards. Status fulfilled is what gave us the flag ready to yield, because all inventory type parts have been picked, in other words, fulfilled. So now we can go up to the top right hand corner where it says ready to yield, click actions, and click yield work order. Status is now complete. The output items are in stock and the input inventory items are now out of stock. The cost of labor and the cost of inventory is rolled up into the finished good part. To see the final result, I'll click on Reports, Work Order Reports, just to demonstrate and show you the results. So we'll see here the cost of labor and the cost of the inventory type part adds up to the total cost of the inventory type part. And that is how to close a work order in Locate Inventory.